Hey Overland Travel Adventurers, we are on a big adventure today. We are kicking off our trip to Italy and we are at the Sacramento train station headed to Oakland Airport to catch a flight on Norwegian all the way to Rome. So come with us, it's going to be fun. Hey Overland Travel Adventurers, we made it all the way from Sacramento, Oakland, Rome, and now we're in Perugia, Italy, and it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have a infinity zero-edge pool in the background. The sun is setting, and now we're going to go to a handmade dinner by our concierge chefs. So it's amazing. I'll show you some more of the property later. Wow, this place is amazing. This is the Murlo Estate in the heart of Umbria, and Umbria is one of the smallest landlocked regions in Italy, but it is close to Perugia and lots of little medieval towns. And on this property, there's even a castle. Holy cow. There's a golf course over to the left. But we are really enjoying this place. It's got a great pool, lots of room to spread out, and we are absolutely loving it.